Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change a golf hole. First, you'll need to gather your essential tools, including a hole cutter, a cup setter, and the flagstick. Next, carefully select a new location on the green that provides a fair and interesting challenge for players. Remember to ensure the new hole is positioned at least 15 feet away from the previous one to allow the turf to recover properly. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient process. Now, let's move on to removing the old hole. Begin by gently taking out the flagstick from its current position. Then, using your specialized hole cutter, carefully extract the old cup along with the surrounding turf plug. It's important to keep this turf plug intact, as it will be used to fill the previous hole. This step requires precision to avoid damaging the green. With the old hole removed, it's time to prepare the new location. Take your hole cutter and carefully create a new, perfectly circular hole in the chosen spot. Make sure the new hole is precisely 4.25 inches in diameter to meet standard regulations. After cutting, gently smooth the edges of the new hole to ensure a snug fit for the cup and prevent any potential damage during installation. This attention to detail is crucial. Finally, let's install the new hole. Carefully insert the new golf cup into the freshly cut hole, making sure it sits level. Use your cup setter to gently tap it down, ensuring the top edge of the cup is perfectly flush with the green surface. This creates a seamless playing experience. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Lastly, place the flagstick into the new cup, and you're all set for a fresh round of golf.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.